and we have a mysterious package. But literally, I don't know what's in here. It just came to our front door. But first, I'm just gonna guess what's inside.
Can I guess too after you guess?
Yeah, mini crawler is my
That's
first
your guess.
guess.
My first guess is spiders.
All right, let's see.
Mini
My
crawler
guess, if
is
we're
spiders.
videoing this, it's probably gonna be something cool.
Like spiders. Or snails.
Huh.
It's a box.
2 boxes in a box. Ugh. Now. More boxes. TRX-6 wheels.
Whoa, show us what they look like.
Let me get them all out. Wait, there's not 6 of them.
Well, what's in the other package?
I'm just gonna open these really quick.
You just open one.
I'm gonna see how they look.
Because you don't want to lose the screws.
Wait, there's screws on these things?
Mm-hmm.
I thought I saw one of them with the hinge
Show the
open.
camera.
Oh, that looks nice.
Whoa.
Alright, sounds like different hair, or it could be the other 2. Ow.
It should be the other 2. Maybe these are green.
Another 4.
I'm gonna
There.
have 2 left over, but there's no other way to do it.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we've got a spare. But that's the only way they come. All right, what do you think? We'll do a video.
By the size of this, I thought it would be a mini crawler.
We'll do a video of mounting one of the tires, and then we'll show the after picture. All right, what do you say to everybody?
Wait, I think I found the opening part. Or not. Yeah, I didn't. Nope.
What do you think of the color?
I like it. I like red. What if we could make a whole new body and make it match?
Well,
No one has a red body of a thing.
they probably do. Would you want red and red, or then you'd want a different color wheel if you had a red body? White body, red wheels, and blue shocks.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, I actually like the white bodies for some reason.
Yeah, they're cool because you see all the details better.
Yeah. Because for some reason my truck, it just doesn't flash out. It doesn't really stick out as much as the others.
We could do a... Well, we'll worry about that some other time. Next, I've got to figure out the tires, if we don't have tires to fit these.
How about if you glue these today,
don't
we
glue
go
them.
out on a trail
We
ride?
don't have tires that fit.
Oh. Yeah, I was wondering about the tires.
You don't glue tires on bead locks. They lock on. And we'll put
Wait, so
one
what do
together.
you do with them?
Well, that's what we'll do in the next video. We'll show how to put one together.
Really, how do you do it with this?
Well, we've got to learn.
Literally. How? You should know.
What do you tell everybody?
You should know.
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
I'm going to watch a video on YouTube to figure it out.
You already know.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Say bye to everybody. What do you say?
Okay. This has been DL Adventures, and I will see you on the next video.